What's up, everybody? It's Jeff, and you're watching Burnt Rubber. As most of you may know, I drive a 2019 Dodge Challenger ScatPack. It has 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use launch control and line lock. Alright everybody, so here's how you use line lock. And I'm going to use line lock first because I want to heat up the tires before I do launch control. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go to drive modes, and then I'm going to put it on track mode because I think that track mode is going to give me the best result for line lock and also for launching the car. Now to get to the line lock option, when you're in drive modes, you press race options and then you press line lock. And what that does is it brings up the screen for line lock. It says line lock ready. You press activate line lock control. Follow instructions in the cluster. Okay, here we go. We're going to activate line lock. So we press the activate line lock control button. We apply brake pressure, which we have pressure on the brakes. Oh, and it deactivated. Let's try one more time. Activate line lock control, apply brake pressure, press and hold OK. Continue to hold OK. Release brake. Apply throttle. Boom. And there we have line lock, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to do launch control. So when you're in the drive modes screen, you press race options and you're already in the launch control screen. So you activate launch control by pressing the launch control button. But first I want to talk about how you can adjust your RPMs so that way you can fine tune your launch. So you can adjust it up or down by 100 RPM increments. You can take it all the way up to 3,300 or all the way down to 1,200. So I'm going to do a couple so that way we can see which RPM is best for launching the car. So I think if we're down here in the 1,200 range, it's going to be too low. So I'm actually going to start at 1,800, and then maybe I'll do like a 2,300, and then maybe I'll do like a 2,800. So we'll start there. I'm going to back up a little bit. All right, everybody, I had a little snag there. A local guy wanted to talk to me, ask me what I was doing, so I told him that I'm shooting videos for you guys. So thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, share. I really appreciate all of the support. All right, so now back to launch control. So to get to launch control, you go to drive modes, race options. It's automatically on the launch control screen. So again, you can change the RPMs by 100. I'm going to start at 1,800. So you press activate launch control. Vehicle will launch at 1,800 RPM. To launch, press brake and apply full throttle. To launch, release brake. Okay, launch number 1. All right, let's check our 0 to 60 time on that. And to do that, we go to performance pages. Wait for it to load up. Timers. Last. So my last, well, it says my 0 to 60 was 2.9, but I highly doubt I went 0 to 60 in 2.9. That was insane though. It says that. It's actually kind of comical. You can also get to launch control, I forgot to mention, just by simply pressing the launch button. You have to be in drive, launch, the steering wheel must be straight. So this is how you can do it. Let's say you were driving down the road and some, I don't know, Mustang or Camaro pulls up next to you, you're at a light, and you want to race them and you want to go all out. Instead of having to press drive modes, activate, you just press the launch button. So for this sake, I'm going to go back into drive modes. I'm going to go to race options. Now this time I'm going to do it at 2300 RPMs. So here we go. Activate launch control. To launch, press brake and apply full throttle. Woo! That says 0 to 60 in 5.5, so not all that great. Alright guys, we're gonna do another launch. So drive modes, race options. This time I'm gonna try 28. I think I'm just gonna peel out at 28, but we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Activate launch control. To launch, oh, I gotta put it in drive, my bad. All right. That just roasted the tires. .1, I definitely felt a difference for sure. Okay, I can't see where that cop went, so I'm gonna take off. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you found some valuable information in it. I hope it was interesting, and I hope it helps you drive your car better, faster, whatever it is that you're looking to do. For me, I'm gonna be launching my car around 22, 23, maybe 2400 RPMs. I find that that was kind of the sweet spot. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching Burnt Rubber.